Hey, little goofballs, what are you doing? Don't you know that we can't eat till the cows come home? I'll get your asses home before I tan your hide, punk. Just a couple more truckloads of split and we'll be done. And we'll take this and toss this up here. And if it doesn't fit, we'll make it fit. We can still put a little bit in here yet too. But you want to hear something funny? I'm not even planning on being here this winter. So it's going to give this wood plenty of time to dry. So that's neat.